this is Lindsay from Felt Flower Design. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this green leaf stem. I really like this stem. It adds a lot of great texture and depth to any arrangement and is really easy to make. So what you're going to need is FloraWire. I recommend using a piece that's covered in cloth or thread, or if you didn't buy one like that, you can wrap it in floral tape. The reason I don't just use a bare wire is hot glue doesn't actually stick to the wire very well and your petals might fall off, but it sticks to the material on the wire really well. So you can buy those at your local craft store or online at Amazon. So you also need 9 little leaf petal shapes. These are about 1 inch wide. You can use a die or you can cut them by hand. So to get started, we are going to put this top leaf on first and work our way down the stem. So grab one of your petals. We're just going to add glue. When it comes to glue, less is more. Okay, we're going to put it on the top of our stem. We're going to pinch it. And the glue dries really fast. Okay. Next, we're going to add a petal to this side and one to this side. So we're just going to keep repeating and doing the same thing. Again, when it comes to glue, less is more. I use a low temp mini glue gun. You're going to just squeeze it on there. Okay, so I put it on one side. You can always add more glue later, but you don't want your glue to show and it's kind of a pain to cut it out. So just a tiny bit of glue. I'm going to do it on the other side. And I'm kind of pinching it and pulling it out a little bit. So you can see there we've got our first layer. Now we're just going to work our way down the stem. And you can make this as long or as short as you want, depending upon how you want to use it in the end. So again, just a little bit of glue. I'm going to do it about, half an inch down. And I'm pinching it, kind of pulling it out. I'll try to show you better on the next one. And then I'm going to put one on the same side and I'm going to overlap it to this petal I just put on. Less is more. So I'm putting it on the same one. When you pinch it, see how it goes up? I'm just literally pulling it out. Just the tiniest bit, but it makes a big difference. Okay, we're going to do that 2 more times and we're done. You could also do this with other colors if you wanted it to add a pop of color to your arrangement and not necessarily green. It's a really fun, easy way to add some texture. Easy as that. Leave any comments or questions below. I'll be adding more tutorials soon, so make sure to subscribe.